to try a new recipe today. Last week we did the ribs in the Instant Pot for the first time. This time we're going to try some baked beans. And normally you have to take your navy beans, soak them overnight for like 8 to 12 hours. But we're going to see if the Instant Pot can save us some time today. So we get a pound of navy beans, dry. We have 1.5 tablespoons of salt and 6 cups of water. So we'll add the beans in the pot. Water. Now add the salt, because this would normally be added in the overnight soaking time, but we're going to do it now. Put the lid on. Again, you gotta set up the arrow so they align. Now we know it's closed. We're gonna do manual for 30 minutes, and that's gonna start. So we're gonna do this for 30 minutes. Gonna naturally let the steam release for another 30 minutes, and then we're gonna start the process for the beans. So the beans just finished cooking. Now it's doing its natural release. So that should be about 30 minutes. So that's another 25 minutes. So we're going to do the molasses mixture while this is happening. Got a 1/4 cup of molasses. And then do a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. The recipe called for some light soy sauce. Couldn't find any in the store, so I reduced the quantity to about 1/2 tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce. Then there, and then just gonna mix everything together. And last thing for the molasses mixture, we're gonna add 1 3/4 cup of cold water, and this is gonna go with the beans later on. Okay, we're at 30 minutes natural release time. I'm going to flip the top and get rid of all the remaining pressure before we open. There we go. Nice. Alright, here we go. So, you can kind of tell that some are already cooked. Now we're going to pick it up and drain the water out. We're just going to rinse them with cold tap water. Alright, so the Instant Pot's now sauteed. We've sauteed about 6 strips of bacon that's all chopped up, 1 onion, and about 3 cloves of garlic. I've never made baked beans with garlic, so we'll see if that tastes or if it adds any flavor. But now, we wanted to glaze the bottom of the pan a bit so that we grab all the bits. I'm just going to put a little bit of the molasses mixture, just enough to kind of glaze the bottom of the pan before we add the beans and the remaining mixture. Okay, so we've added the remaining part of the mixture to the molasses and the maple syrup. So here's our beans. They're pretty much all cooked, and we're just gonna add 2 bay leaves and about like a tablespoon or 1/2 tablespoon of salt. I might just even add a little bit of water so that the beans are all covered. We'll put the lid on and put the Instant Pot for another 20 minutes, and they should be almost done. Okay, so now we're going to go and check our beans. They cooked the molasses mixture, and right. Oh yeah. So it's still kind of liquidy, but I mean the beans are cooked. Everything's good. So the last thing we need to do is add 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. We're gonna set it to saute. Turn this off first. Yeah, there we go. Much better. Okay, so we're gonna stir and let this kind of thicken up with the saute. See if we need anything adjusted, if we need to add molasses or maple syrup, and then we're all good. Thanks for watching.
Oh, we're starting now.
So apparently, we can take Old Navy. So the beans just finished cooking in the pressure cooker. It's doing its natural release. We're gonna let it do that for about 30 minutes. So while that's happening, we're gonna go and do the molasses. Oh.
Don't just...
Oh.